So let's carry on to the same paper of paper 2, October-November 2019 for Information and Communication Technology 0417 paper for document Word and following with it with mail merging. So you are required to carry out a mail merge. Create a mail merge letter using the club RTF file as a master document and the member CSV file as your data source. So we are having two files over here. Let's open the RTF file first, which is which is the club file, and the second file supposed to be the data source, which is members. So let's have a look at the members file. So we have book, author, and groups, and months, and date, and time, venue, and some notes about that book. So we have here some how many of the rows here fields. We have around 9 fields, and here is the title. Okay, I'm going to close this for right now and carry on to the replace the date with a field to display today's date to be in format DDMMYY. With this one we have to go to insert mailing. Yes, insert quick parts field, and I have to go to the date section, and I have to make sure it is DDMM and YY and dashes between them. So D and triple M and double Y, which is exactly matching with this one. Okay, great, I'm done with this. And before that, for the first point, I need to connect these two files together. So to do this, we're always in the mailing part. We go to the select recipients, use an existing list, and I have to go to my files, and I have to connect the master file, which is mentioned as member. This one. Okay, and we will find that most of the things got highlighted here, and I supposed to have 9, as it is mentioned I have 9 members. So the next question was the evidence question number 10, which says that take a screenshot evidence of the date field code showing the format used. Place this screenshot in your evidence document. So I need to take it for the date field with that format mentioned. To do this, it's over here, but it's not mentioning the format, so I have to go right click and toggle field. Here it's mentioning to me right now the format that I used it. So take a screenshot of this, and as this is evidence number 10, we have to go to evidence file, to evidence number 10, and paste it over here. Next question, it's the time to start to replace. So replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source as follows. So to do this, I prefer to put it next to each other's, and then we start right now to, again, to do this we have to make sure of the spaces, and we go to insert over here and we choose, so for GRP it's group, and then MTH it's supposed to be month, BK is supposed to be book, author, and dy is day, dt Okay, make sure that you haven't forget anything. So usually I highlight all of it and make sure I haven't missed anything. Okay, great. Right now let's expand it back again. Let's get back again to our question. We're done with 30, and then make sure the spacing, punctuation, alignment in the original master document are maintained. I tried not to use the spaces by using the shift and right and left arrow on my keyboard. And then replace the text which is called candidate name with your name. So try to type your name over here and include your center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So to add it in the footer, double click. They haven't mentioned where, so I will just add my center number here and candidate number over here. Middle is not required, so I will just delete it. Save and print the master document in the merge fields displayed, and that's supposed to be my fourth printout, and my name and things are supposed to be mentioned. Okay, that's my, with all of those fields are displayed. Usually we can check here that all of the 9 members are showing information, but they need to see the merge fields. So we need to print this, print it, and that's it. And make sure just that your name, center number, candidate number, which is over here, this and this, they're showing. Okay, so that was print out for 32. Set an automated filter. Set an automated filter to select the books chosen for the month of December, and they need to show this in the evidence to use an automated selection method. Okay, to do this we have to go again to the mailing tab, edit recipient list, and filter, choose the list. From here the field supposed to be month, and it's supposed to be equal to December. So enter. We've got 3 lists, 3 candidates or members, and place in your evidence document, show your automated selection. Okay, to do this I can just put this one also here, and I can take a screenshot for the following. We will notice that here even it become 3 members only. So that was for evidence number 11, and we need to go and paste it over here. Merge and print the letters for December only, and save and close the file, and print out 5 supposed to be print of this only merge files, and make sure that your name, candidate number is displayed. So I have here 3. I have to go edit individual documents to all of them, and there's supposed to be 3 files or 3 pages for only the merged, and then after that I can go and say print. I can say 3 pages will be printed out. My name, center, candidate numbers must be appearing. I hope you got all the questions and answers, and see you in the next paper.